For the new week's plays, I only added 2 new ones, and then I rolled over one. I kept it really fairly simple because these plays should be easy to yield some profit and not kind of cloud your mind with too many tickers. So I added Microsoft, and the reason why I added Microsoft, let's go to Microsoft. Okay, I like Microsoft because it's in this trend. It's in this trend down on the monthly, this long trend down, and it retests. Well, it came very close to it, and it rejected strongly off of that trend line. But then we also have the monthly broadening formation and the weekly broadening formation that it rejected. So what I'm expecting for Microsoft is to retest this area for sure, and then I'm expecting a rejection off that area to come down into that monthly retest area, being that we haven't tested it at all. On a good strong green day, I think we push up into this area. On a red day, we're going to push down into this area. It kind of follows SPY, but this play is fairly easy to play. And I'm sorry, I'm in the airport, so I'll try to hurry up. So I would take the upside, probably trigger a 2 up here, and then set up for Randy Jackson, or it could do 2 days of up, and then the risk reward would be to the downside there. So I pretty much put that self-explanatory there. The next one I have is AMT, American Tower Corporation. This ticker is different than I usually play, but I like the price action, and I like how I feel when I pretty much look at the ticker. So this ticker already triggered 2 up on a month. We are right in the retest area of this. So ideally, this ticker should bounce here, and at the very least, revisit the monthly high. So 225 target on this, 220 calls wouldn't be bad. It should be a very easy play, especially if it triggers the 2 up on a daily, which would then start to fill this wick going up on this side. So your target would definitely just be the monthly high, and then you will evaluate it from there. But this is a strong monthly broadening right here, so I wouldn't try to play too many games. I would take my profit, and if you wanted to continue to play this up on the monthly, let it build over this area before you take a position. But take your profits at this level once this starts to go. Pay attention to the volume and everything, but it looks pretty good. I like the play. I think it's simple. If it triggers a 2 up, it'll continue. Yeah. So that's AMT, and then we got our rollover. We know MGM came into the monthly buy area. Let's go to MGM. All right, so MGM is, stalling, but once it get here, if this level rejects, expect MGM to continue and come down. So let's say we get something like that, and then I think I drew this last time. Then it comes here, and then here, and then down. Okay, something like that with MGM. So if you didn't capitalize on this rejection here and play that down, you could capitalize on this rejection here, especially if it rejects. If you see that it's rejecting, go ahead. The risk to reward is to the downside with time because you're triggering that monthly low. MGM is inside on the month, so just be careful. Take your profits. These are not long-term swings. You're just playing the zones. The next one I have is Square, of course. We done rolled this over 2 weeks, and ideally with Square, you can play this up and down because it's in the inside. So when it's inside, it just go up and down. But guess what happened? It came back here, boom, bounce. Came here, bounce. Look what happened. So every time it comes in this area, it kind of bounce. So the ideal with Square, you want to see if this level hold. You can play it up to this level. I would, when it get here, pay close attention because I'm a 3 times the charm type of person. So since it came here and we inside, it may reject this time and actually break the next time. So you can play it up. Make sure you take your profits. If it get over here, then you anticipate going up. But I think that Square, actually, I didn't even do this. Oh shoot, I didn't even think about this when I was writing it up. I'm just seeing it right now. I think square comes here and then potentially do the 1-2 and come down. So, and when I say 1-2, I don't mean Elliott wave. I know nothing about that. I was doing like the 1-2 step like that. But square may potentially do something like this and start to come down. So you want to really watch for square to sit here. If it wants to continue up, you want it to hold right here, or else just take your day trade profits, take an actionable signal and come down. So roll over, but it is holding this area nicely. So I personally like square because it yields good returns even if you play this move here. So I don't know if it's going to revisit here unless it gets above here, but taking a call out of this level is not bad at all. Taking a call out of this level, especially if it holds. All right, that's all for me. Good luck this week.